Hey girl, the thing in your blouse is escaping. Oh, the tag is sticking out? Thanks for letting me know. And your shirt's hands are too up. My sleeves are rolled up. Your sleeves, yeah. It's just my style. How do you know the right words to use with the verbs? Tag with sticking out, sleeves with rolled up. I usually create a mind map like this one that helps me remember. That's too difficult to create. It's not, because I use IdraMind, which is AI powered and allows you to create mind maps with just a click. Link is in my bio.